Today we're taking a look at a super interesting device, the UT98 mechanical keyboard from MCHOSE. Now there's a couple really interesting aspects to this keyboard. Number one, it's a collaboration with the YouTube channel Unbox Therapy. Really interesting from a design perspective and some really cool features on the Kickstarter campaign. Now we're also talking about some really cool functionality and core capabilities of this keyboard. Talking tri-mode connectivity, really cool and fun lighting features and functionality as well. Also some really nice layout decisions that were made with this keyboard. It's a 98% mechanical keyboard, full function row, full numpad, full arrow keys, so everything you would need there, plus some interesting things like a dedicated calculator button, a volume scroll wheel just to the left of the numpad. Overall, a really nice design aesthetic to this keyboard, and there are a couple different options as well on the Kickstarter campaign. Now, this thing is going for $99 for the early bird special on Kickstarter. And then what we have here is the deluxe edition, which is going for $149. It includes the keyboard plus the handrest, so the custom MCHOSE Unbox Therapy wrist rest, and then a custom Unbox Therapy mousepad as well. So as I just mentioned, with the deluxe edition of the UT98, you get the Unbox Therapy wrist rest and mouse mat. But let's jump into the UT98 keyboard itself. Now for this version of the keyboard, MCHOSE sent over the classic therapy version versus the retro therapy version of the UT98. The retro therapy version comes a little bit different colorway, looking at gray, black, orange, and white. And they also sent across the version with the hi-fi switches, the icy creamsicle switch, which we'll take a listen to and also look at in just a second, versus the silent peach V3 switches. So that is the particular version of the keyboard that we have. Now, the UT98 comes with dual size feet, so dual size kind of kickstands on the back, get different angles depending on your wrist comfort. You have the switch for connectivity on the left side of the device, and we'll go through all the core kind of keys and everything later in the video, but as you can see, a full 98% mechanical keyboard, have a really nice scroll wheel for volume to the left of the numpad. Overall, really well designed keyboard, and the thing feels super robust. I mean, it comes in at 1.25 kilograms, so nearly 4.5 pounds. So a very robust and weighty device. You also get the 6-foot USB-C cable if you are going to use it in wired mode. We also get some additional keycaps, so you get a all black version of the spacebar in case you don't want the MCHOSE Unbox Therapy branding on the keycap itself. You also get a different version of the escape key, as well as some Apple specific caps as well. And you also get 2 additional icy creamsicle switches in case anything breaks or anything like that. You can easily swap them out with that key puller and the switch puller there. So overall, really, really well designed. And we'll take a look at connectivity in just a second, but really nice 2.4 gigahertz as well as Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity on this device, as well as the wired USB-C mode. But let's take a listen to the keyboard itself. So the first thing I want to actually test out is the connectivity functionality of the UT98. We're going to run it through its paces over Bluetooth as well as 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and really put it to the test to see what it can do in gaming workloads as well as professional workloads. So for me, the UT98 is going to be a dual function professional keyboard for my work laptop as well as a gaming mechanical keyboard for my gaming PC. Now I'm going to connect to my work laptop via Bluetooth. Simple, easy connectivity. It's Bluetooth 5.0. It should be super easy to connect and very fast. But overall, like, I don't need the speed and, bandwidth of the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I don't need the wired connection either. So Bluetooth is perfect to connect to my work laptop. So to put it into Bluetooth pairing mode, just gonna hit the FN and 1 key on the keyboard. That'll put it into Bluetooth pairing mode. Easily pops up on my PC as MCHOSE UT98. Select it and it connects super, super fast, pretty much within seconds, and we're up and running using the UT98 over Bluetooth with my work laptop. Now, like I mentioned, I'm also going to be using this with my gaming PC. Now, typically I would use a wired connection, but I really, really love the idea of having a completely wireless setup for both my gaming and professional workflows. So I'm going to be using the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi dongle that comes in the MCHOSE UT98. So I'm going to put it into that 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi mode. We can remove the magnetic cover for the actual dongle on the back of the keyboard. Really nice implementation of that. I love that feature, just a really nice little design touch. And overall, it's as simple as plugging in the dongle to my PC and we're up and running. And the keycaps are fully replaceable as well, and the key switches that come with this version are the IC Creamsicle switch. They're a linear hi-fi switch, really gamer-centric, looking at a total travel of 3.5 millimeters, as well as an actuation distance of 1.3 millimeters versus the more silent version, which is the Peach V3 switch, 2 millimeters of actuation travel and then a 3.3 millimeter total travel. Overall, a nice switch configuration on this keyboard. So connectivity is a breeze with this device, and one of the core selling features of the UT98 is the design. Super sleek design, as well as some really cool lighting functionality, which we're going to dive into right now. So when it comes to the lighting on this keyboard, you're looking at a ton of RGB. So 16.8 million color options with RGB lighting based on music rhythm. You have all the control and functionality with the FN switch on the keyboard to change the different lighting modes, increase brightness, increase the speed, or decrease the speed of the actual kind of RGB design on the keyboard. You also have full RGB control over the little RGB light bar above the audio key. Now that can be used to showcase battery level of the keyboard itself. You can also just have other lighting options displayed on that little light bar also. So you can control this, of course, with the keyboard itself. There's also MCHOSE software that can be downloaded to fully configure the look and feel of the keyboard. And overall, the build quality of the UT98 is pretty robust. Now, there is quite a bit of flex in the actual center of the keyboard, but that is by design. So the overall design and engineering of this device has been really thought through by MCHOSE engineers. And overall, I think it definitely stands up to anything you're going to put at it just in your day-to-day usage. Could be maybe a little bit more robust just in terms of the actual build plate and keyboard backplate and things like that, but overall a really, really strong and durable design. And there we have it, the Unbox Therapy and MCHOSE UT98 mechanical keyboard. Really interesting collaboration between a YouTube channel that focuses on reviews and the device manufacturer themselves. Really nice to be able to take kind of all that review experience and understanding of the market and put it into a device. Of course, taking into a grain of salt the Unbox Therapy review and unboxing of the UT98. But this video has been my honest opinion of this device. I am going to use this as my daily driver keyboard for the foreseeable future, both for work as well as for gaming. It's a great combination of connectivity to connect to multiple devices, be it my gaming PC and my work laptop, as well as just design and aesthetic and overall comfort of this keyboard. So overall, really enjoyed the UT98. If you guys are interested in picking one of these up, there'll be a link to the Kickstarter campaign down in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.